Самара 2-2, Василий идет. РТ-22. Роман Самара 2-2, Василий идет. Роман Самара 2-2. Роман Самара 22.
Where's Kaz's squad? Divide! Cover, cover, cover. Right out! That was cool. There's a dude right there. No, right there, right there, right there. No, right there in front of me, like 12. He's down, he's down, he's down. Oh, sorry. All right, let's... What's up? Precile Granato! Progovin! Hey! Let's go around this, go into the beat! Are you down? Divide! Push me on the enemy! Push me up! Push me up! Keep going! Good.
Hey, you three, start bounding up and I'll cover fire.
There's a group moving down. There's like 10 of them moving
Precile Granato!
Reloading!
No, no, no.
I suck at AK. Guys,
Hey, spread out! There's guys over here!
all right, push that
Push
way.
right, push right.
Right here.
Right side! Rocks, rocks, rocks! We can go, me and you can go, me and you can go.
As soon as you're up. They're taking shots up here though.
Oh,
Humpy!
vehicle, vehicle, vehicle!
Vehicle to the right! Vehicle to the right! Oh, ceasefire!
What is it?
I think something's hot fire.
Real world.
Real world! Ceasefire!
That's what I'm here for, man.
You good? Give me a medic. There you go. There you go. Color. That's good. That's good.
Hey, man, be with us. Come on. He's not all there, man. A lot better. He's getting more air. Get him in out of this. Get him out. Give me some water bottle. Okay, I got.
Hey, look, push the camera away, though.
Don't forget, Jet, to push record. It's important.
It's imperative.
First squad, second squad, third squad, fourth squad, order of movement. We're out of charge with the horn.
We're third order movement because we're third squad.
Really? I didn't know how to count, Ross.
Hoorah! Bragobin! 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 Давай, давай, давай! Давай! Давай, давай!
Chase it, Chase!
Bragobin! Spencer! Who's hit? Hey, get him up, give him up. Hey, tag round, tag round, tag round. Trench in front of us. Oh, Can you do another one?
I'm out.
Rise elevation. Hey, I'm gonna smoke! I'm gonna smoke forward. Hey, push the right, Chris! Push the right! Push right!
I would rush, but I don't have a gas.
Whoa.
We're pushing as soon as you're ready to go. Chet, you with me?
Hang on. Oh, I got hit.
I got shot down. Where's your right back?
Out here. Brać! Brać! Are we going? Are we going?
We're going as soon as you're good.
All right.
Hey! Go! We're going! We're going!
Okay. Давай, давай, давай! Давай! Face the fire! Давай! Давай! Drink this. Duh. Can you take my bandage off while I drink this?
Okay.
I can take this off now, right?
Yeah.
All right, cool.
And then 5 minutes and you're good.
Oh, we gotta wait 5 minutes now?
Yeah.
Okay.
Thanks.
Just private.
Squad.
1-3.
Wound area.
Crotch. No joke.
Okay.
Got shot in the dick. Hey, did you search those guys back there?
Yeah, I got a shit ton of BBs off them.
Oh, yeah. Oh, did you find their platoon medic?
He was not there.
Okay.
Yeah!
Am I good?
Yeah, you're good.
Okay. Here, I'm gonna go search them again for the water bottles.
Yeah, just say you wanted to cop a fuel and allow.
Hoorah!
Oh wait, guys, you're supposed to be.
Are you the medic?
No.
Can I search you?
Yeah. I have no ammo.
Yes, yes I can.
No, he's not yet. He's Russian mercenary.
Let's see. Any of you a medic? Any medic? Nope.
The dude already came through and took all our ammo.
That's cool. Looking for other stuff. Here's what I'm looking for.
I was thinking of like, I was just gonna like print out like Pokemon headshots. Like, you know, like they have the 2 girls in the photo booth laughing. They're just like, oh my god, we can't even find the intel.
They're dead. Fuck, dude, because we were with them.
Are you just slapping your nose in like you're supposed to?
Oh, yeah. Okay. Treating it like a dirty little horror.
That's a blank fire gun, right?
Huh?
That's a blank fire gun.
Yeah.
Is this the guy you shot in the butt earlier?
Janek Michael, KIA.
Shot in the butt. Do you have any good intel?
Not yet. Oh, this.
We'll give that a good rub down and a good.
Look.
Oh, we got
This
Matt.
guy is a plethora of intelligence.
Oh, he's
Let's
like
see.
Google.
Yes.
How do you say Google in Russian? Google.
Nothing in the notebook.
We forgot to search his pocket.
Uh-oh.
Oh no. Better search
You
it.
want to get it or do you need the contact to get it and take it for himself?
You can take it.
Oh, I'll take all the loot for myself.
You guys got vodka with you?
Oh, yes, down there.
Oh.
Down the hill, yes.
It hurts a lot.
That's a long
Can you
one.
just like give us like this one bottle of it?
Maybe I'll bring a medic up here for you guys.
Spencer! Hey, come here!
You broke character, dude.
Oh, sorry. Spencer!
Oh!
Okay, you can edit.
Look, we found intel!
Oh! Oh, but that!
I would need to go take this.
Okay, that's you. That's you.
I'm going to. I found it.
Wait, I have intel.
We have. Oh, you have intel as well. Let me see this.
That was worth it.
We have to do that to the cow last night.
do it. We didn't know we had pornography.
Oh, look at this.
Hey, it gets lonely, okay?
Oh, no, you never. Yeah! Look at that one.
Oh, dude, that's a classic. That's a classic.
More gayer. More gay.
No, why would you print that off?
We got intel, dude.
That's dedication.
Print that off.
Prepare yourself.
I knew what it was. I was like,
Hey, look. That's their whole platoon.
We have their MTOE.
I don't think we can take this, but
I'm keeping
see if you see anything valuable in that.
the MTOE maybe. I'm gonna go show this to Jay. Actually, that's it.
It.
Packing list. Not really. It's all the same we have.
Okay.
Hold on, let me get through them.
Hang on, these guys just briefly got searched. They haven't been searched for intel. Who's? This is the whole first platoon, isn't it?
I don't know.
Bitch.
You want to take security? I'll search.
Yeah.
Who have you searched so far?
These 4.
Those 4?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh yeah, and that guy.
All right. Do any of you not consent to a search?
I do not.
You must be touching at all times.